Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to unmute someone on X. So first of all, of course, open X application on your device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and from the list of settings you want to go to privacy and safety section and go to mute and block, and go to muted words page. So now in this page you want to find specific user that you want to unmute, and you want to tap this edit button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you have to mark something that you want to unmute and select delete button, and of course confirm it. As you can see, it's gone, so that means that I have just unmuted this user on X. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.